In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if Google Tag Manager is working properly on your website. Ensuring that your Google Tag Manager, or GTM, is functioning correctly is crucial for tracking and managing your site's analytics and marketing tags efficiently. Let's dive into the simple steps to verify that your GTM setup is installed and operational. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the web page where you have installed Google Tag Manager. Once there, take your mouse and go to any section of the page, then right-click. You should see a menu pop up. From this menu, select the option that says View Page Source. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+U on a Windows computer or CMD+U on a Mac. This action opens up a new tab or window displaying the entire HTML code of your web page. Now that you have your page source open, the next step involves searching through this code to locate specific snippets associated with Google Tag Manager. To do this efficiently, use the Find function on your browser. You can access this by pressing Ctrl+F on Windows or CMD+F on a Mac. This will bring up a small search box within the page. In this search box, type in GTM.js and press Enter. You're looking for the specific script snippet that includes this term. Ideally, you should see this snippet inside the tag in the HTML of your page. The presence of this script ensures that your GTM container script is set up correctly within the head section of your site, which is critical for the proper initialization of tags. Once you've confirmed the presence of the first script, there's one more important snippet to check for. This time, search for a snippet immediately following the tag. The tag is an HTML element that is necessary for the GTM to function properly, even if JavaScript is disabled in the browser. Both snippets are important because they ensure that your Google Tag Manager can handle situations where JavaScript may not be running as expected. If you've identified both the section script and the within the page's HTML, you can rest assured that your Google Tag Manager container code is correctly installed. This setup positions you to accurately track your analytics and ensure all your tags fire as intended. With just a few simple steps and a bit of attention to detail, you've confirmed the operation of your Google Tag Manager. This verification can give you the peace of mind that your data collection mechanisms are working seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy tagging!